Homesteading with Nene here. I'm out in my front yard looking at my trees. Most of the leaves have fallen. I mowed, go from mowing to maybe some snow soon. I'm one of them weird people that likes snow. Anyway, the other day while I was mowing, we have a lot of deer out here. So I'm going to show you something that they are good for. Deer sure are beautiful, but they sure can do some damage to my trees. That is one of many that they have tore completely up in my yard. Makes me sad. There's some of my girls wandering around, bugging around for bugs. Love to hear the chickens cluck and make noises, dig around in the dirt. Country life is good.